Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create and fill in form 8829. So let's begin. For this particular task there is a link underneath this video, so we start by clicking on the link and then click on the business forms on top and then view all business forms. Right now we about to write down into the search window the 8829, and it will find the form 8829 that we have to fill in. You can either go by scrolling, but it will take you forever. So create the document, proprietor's name, SSN. What is the square footage of your home office space? Go with 400. Total square of your home. Is your home business a daycare center not inclusive of business? If yes, how many hours per day on average the space is used for daycare? Business profit. Then business use of your home and loss from your business, not delivered from the business use of your home. Casualty losses, are you claiming standard or itemized deduction? If we go with standard or itemized, let's go with standard. Do you have any casualty losses to include? If yes, you'll state them. If no, let's continue. Excess interest and taxes, do you have excess mortgage interest to include? If so, you'll state it up. If no, you'll just click next. Do you have the excess real estate tax to include? Yes or no. Insurance and rent, enter direct insurance expense, indirect insurance expense, rent and rent expense, repairs and utilities, also other expenses. Those I'm not gonna fill in because those are individual informations and I believe you can handle it. Next, home and land value, and then allowable losses and depreciation. Once you are at the last questions, there won't be next but save button, but first on the left side there is a preview where we can preview all the informations that we put in. And I strongly recommend you checking it once or twice. And then save and download. Right now, if you need to create more forms, I strongly recommend you going with the $1 for 7 days option, which is a premium trial. Or if this is just a one-time thing and you won't be creating more forms, the free trial is also an option for you. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.